Alright, this is Joe Fitz, and I'm here to discuss World War II and the alliances that were involved. First of all, what is a dictatorship? Well, a dictatorship is a government that is controlled by one leader. This person would be known as a dictator. The Axis powers, one of the alliances, were made up of Germany, Italy, and Japan. And there's the flags right there with Germany on top, Italy in the middle, and Japan at the bottom. Here's Adolf Hitler, was a fascist dictator that led Germany during World War II. And there's Benito Mussolini, fascist dictator of Italy during World War II. And the Emperor Hirohito of Japan that led Japan during World War II. Those are a picture of the three dictators. They had a lot in common. They were imperialists. And here we go with the Allies: the United States, Great Britain, Soviet Union, and France. And there's the flags right there that represent the four main allies during World War II. Here's Franklin D. Roosevelt, who was president until he died in Warm Springs, Georgia in 1945. There's Harry S. Truman, Roosevelt's vice president, who took over as president after Roosevelt's death. There's Winston Churchill, Prime Minister of Great Britain during World War II. Joseph Stalin, the communist leader that led Soviet Union during World War II. Great Britain, U.S., and Soviet Union were known as the Big Three, the strongest of the Allies. Now, what happened to France is that they actually surrendered to Nazi Germany in 1940, and there is Hitler taking a picture in front of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. And here is another picture, too, of Hitler and his Nazi soldiers. Here is a picture of the Big Three with Roosevelt in the middle there. Now, when Roosevelt dies, Harry Truman takes his spot in the Big Three. You can see Truman in the middle there. Something just to keep in mind is that the United States and Great Britain shared a lot of the same philosophies for government, whereas the Soviets were communist. But despite the differences these two had, they joined forces to defeat Hitler, and Hitler and Stalin had actually signed a peace treaty which Hitler violated, which was probably Hitler's worst strategic mistake of the war, because what he did is he created a two-front war, and Germany was surrounded by enemies. The Nazis then surrender in May of 1945, and I want to thank everybody for listening to my message on World War II.